Hello, it's Tyler from Fixerra. Today we have a Latitude 7480 that needs a battery replacement. So let's start with getting this back off. A common decision that you need to make when you get these older Windows laptops is if you want to go with an OEM battery or if you were to go just with like a China clone. And my opinion on that is if it's an older Windows machine, it's really not worth that much. So I would just go with the Chinese ripoff. But when you start getting into like newer MacBooks, at some point the Mac is worth enough where you can cough up that extra money to get a genuine battery. This is our new battery. And while we're in here, we're just going to do a memory upgrade. It's currently in single channel 8 gigs of DDR4, so now we'll go to dual channel 16 gigs of DDR4. Plug in our battery. There we go. And then I'm just going to run the onboard diagnostics just to make sure that everything related to the battery is working good. So I'll let this run. Okay, so, if you can see that, but everything passed. The only thing that failed was the charger, but that's just because we don't have that plugged in. So now we can turn this back off and get the back cover installed. There we go, and the last step is to clean this before it gets given back to our customer. And now on these screens, you never want to use any type of like rubbing alcohol or Windex as it'll degrade this top coat. So my favorite thing to use is this whoosh. It's pretty much what the people in the Apple store use to clean their devices. That's why they always look so good. And I've always loved it, so I can heavily recommend it. Look how much better that looks. So one final test, just with everything reassembled, and it boots just fine. Thank you for watching this episode of Fixerra Tech Repair. I hope it helps you see a little of the behind the scenes and what we do. And keep in tune. I'll have a video about board repair on a MacBook Air coming out pretty soon. Thank you for watching.